Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about how to earn $112 a day with AI technology on Fiverr. If you're still struggling to make money or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. Find out a new way to make money on Fiverr without any skills. I work on Fiverr and make some money from it. I was looking for new ways to make money on Fiverr when something really cool happened. I looked at some videos on YouTube that helped me understand how to make money without any skills or time. I got some ideas from how people use artificial intelligence to make money on Fiverr. I was shocked. People are making more money with robots and they don't even have to work. It's amazing that people are getting more clients and making more money. So I decided to do this and tell you all about it. So I did some research and found this robot. Its name is Jasper AI, formerly Jarvis AI. Jasper is a tool for artificial intelligence. It's a very useful tool that can help you automate your business and get more customers. In this video, we'll learn how to use this AI tool on Fiverr to make $100 or more. First, you need to know who and what Jasper is. This robot can write great articles, captions, and scripts. Jasper is an article AI tool. The main thing this tool does is help you write content. You can use it for blogging, writing about products, writing captions for social media, and a lot more. You can use Jasper for a lot of different things. He can help you write blog posts 10 times faster, write emails for your list, make marketing copy for your products or websites, and make social media posts for all of your platforms. Jasper helps you come up with the best keywords so you can set up and run an AdWords campaign. After that, you don't need any other tools to find the best keywords for your business. Let's look at some ideas for Fiverr again. Writing blog posts, writing YouTube scripts for cash cow channels, social media managing, Amazon product description for FBA sellers, making a podcast, and writing an ebook or an email. So here are some examples of the kinds of services that people offer on Fiverr. This robot has a lot of uses, and I'm sure you can come up with ways to use it to make $100 a day. A lot of people use it to come up with content, and it's a 5-star tool, which is highly recommended. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video. You must take action to get results. The secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. Click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in my next video.